Aisha ikuhe kumenereria thirikari na itua riri ni kiama kia DCP na kiria gikumithite ikinya ria thirikari ya Kenya kunyitanira na thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika kwanjiriria ceceni ya kurigita raia a Amerika aria marwara murimu wa Ebola bururi-ini wa Congo thiini wa ceceni iria etanyite gwakwo Nanyuki county-ini ya Laikipia.
We join the people of Kenya, the health professionals, in saying no to this Ebola facility in Nanyuki or elsewhere within the territory of the Republic of Kenya.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro wa abici-ini cia kiama kiu, mwandiki munene wa ihinda kiama-ini kiu Seneta wa Nyandarua John Methu augite ni giconoko kuona President William Ruto agikira mukonde ati niwe wetikiririe waki wa ceceni iyo.
President William Ruto admitted that he personally authorized the establishment of the facility in Nanyuki. Basic questions to President William Ruto and his government. What are your strategic national interests in terms of health and safety of Kenyans?
Riu Methu aracukira thirikari gutwarithia na mbere mibango ya ceceni ino thengia ya igoti kurugamia mihango iyo undu uria wagararite watho na kunyarara mateta ma muingi. Mutongoria wa kiama gia PLP Martha Karua onake ni okiriire President William Ruto akiuga ati ndarathikiriria muingi uria ureganite na waki wa ceceni ino. Akiaria rikangaita mathiko-ini ma Cesadegwa, Karua augite ati President agireirwo ni gutia magoti na mugambo wa muingi handu ha kumathingiriria uria matarenda.
Ni uturika President mugima akithina mbere na kwanirira ati Ebola facility ni gukorwa ku riria ritwe ni goti irugame riria Akenya othe nginya andu a Nanyuki mara demonstrate makiuga gatiga guturetera murimu.
Na kuo mwena wa Nairobi arurungani ni matwarite mateta mao wabici-ini nene cia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na kwerekera nginya igoti ria Milimani kuria mathitangite thirikari ni kwendia kihoto na ugitiri wa Akenya besha kuri thirikari ya Amerika.
We are adding a voice to the already made position of KMPDU that Kenya is not ready to establish an Ebola quarantine facility in Kenya.
Today we are staging to the High Court Milimani here, and we are telling them we saw that you gave the state conservatory orders. They have refused to file their submission because the third arm of government is toothless, and we are telling the judiciary, Martha Koome, wewe tulikupatia nguvu na mamlaka, simama na Wakenya. Hii Ebola tupilia mbali.
Amaya mahanikite riri thirikari ithiete na mbere na kuga gutire ugwati ungetheire muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo William Wainaina.